afternoon. It's 11 past 1 p.m. and it's 6th of December 2017. So here we are today. Nifty is just in the downtrend only. Just in the downtrend only. And I don't know, I need to address it because I somehow can't ignore any comment that comes into my YouTube channel. This comment is from Beginner's World, right? And he's been you've written to me that, I think, where is it? I mean, you've been saying that how silly it is, that you are giving so many points. And I mean, I'm saying watch my videos now. Like I'm not saying that market today is in the negative zone. You go back and watch from back, ever since when I started saying that the market is looking weak to me. Since when I'm saying Nifty is negative to me, right? I've been saying ever since Nifty started going down. Not only that, I have done many trades for you for Nifty. Let me take you to cash market. So I have done many trades for you. I have shown you also my trades that I have bought options, that I have sold Nifty. I did this trade, right? When this resistance was being taken by 50 moving average, I have bought that day put, and I showed you next day how my position changed. I work on this setup and I trust my setup. If you want to do, your choice, and if you don't want to do, your choice. And you have written a comment today, Mr. Beginner's World. The reason is I used to watch your videos. Most of the time I made huge losses. Maybe one odd person you are who has made losses. Probably you have not used the way I have suggested, because I have not got a comment that using my setup people have made losses until you do something really silly with it, right? So looking at the charts, anyone can give calls. Should be in the market only when there is profit. Everyone posts video, but loss calls and stop loss, no one replies, right? Now see here, you can go back to my Telegram channel. You have it right here. Can you see? This is my Telegram channel. You can watch it here. What are the trades I have given? These are all live trades. These trades have been done by people, right? And these trades are the one where people have generated money by Ramkey, by Donier, these are all live trades in front of your eyes. I'm not, just not looking at the graph, but actually giving with proper stop losses. See here. Empower, Kalpataru Power, ITD Cementation, Quality. These are the trades that I have given you, right? Now, I don't know what kind of trading you're doing and what you're doing. I have no idea. But I think you are not following my channel properly. Just, watch my videos. I'll tell you just in a second. You go back and watch my videos from, today is what date? Today is 6th, na? You watch my videos starting from 30th of November. See what I have said on that day. See what I have said on that day. You watch my videos of 29th of November. See what I have said on that day. That will give you, like that's predicting future, isn't it? You have all my videos here. You go back to my channel and watch my videos. You will get full information what I said in, previous few days. This is my videos. You watch all these 5 videos, you will get to see my view on Nifty. What am I saying? And then you comment. Then you tell me whether I said Nifty is in downtrend or not. And I said this is good opportunity to short. Go in the sell zone, right? This was that place. Anyway, those who wanted to understand from what I'm trying to say, they have understood, and they are really, really gaining a lot of money. Somebody texted me yesterday. He has shorted Century Textile and made 46,000 rupees. So those who want to learn, those who understand me, those who understand what I'm saying, they are making money, right? And I have given a trade of Hester BioSciences at 1214. I gave it at 1214 and I think 1214, right? And see where it is today. It is, no, we gave it at 1 1214, I think. This is the place where we gave it, right? And see the run up it has given to you. Just 200 points up. 200 points up in 1, 2, and 3 days. It's just 3 points up in only few days, right? This is what you get, by technical analysis. This is what you get by technical analysis. One of my member has shorted Asian Paints, right? So somebody has written a comment on my YouTube channel that please talk about Asian Paints, right? What are you have been asking me about Asian Paints. Asian Paints is in downtrend, right? It's in a he says, what about Asian Paints, ma'am? I can see a head and shoulder pattern in 6 months chart on daily time frame. I have bought it at 877 level for the long-term perspective. But as head and shoulder is a bearish trend reversal, I am little worried. Can you please suggest me something? Let me see for you. I mean, I see here. To quite an extent. Now what you're saying is right. If you say this is head and shoulder, it looks like that, and it's taking a huge resistance here as well. See, now you have bought it at 877 at this point. I don't think so it has that capacity to go down, that much to go down. Falling from this level to 300 point, I don't think so is possible. Yeah, so hold it for a day, hold it a few more days, but see what could have been your stance on it, right? When you see such a resistance being experienced by your trade, you can take it short position so that your stock is hedged. You get my point? You have created long position, right? How do you hedge it? How do you don't want to exit your trade, right? So what can you do? You can hedge your position by shorting it. But shorting can only be done in futures. It cannot be done in cash. Cash, it can only be done for intraday. So the possibility that I could see for you is hedge your position, but shorting also to be done very, very carefully. It should not be done like that. See, it's been falling for so many days. I don't know how many more days will it fall, because we don't know how much Nifty will go down, right? Maybe if Nifty takes a reversal, it may take a reverse from here and go up. But what I would suggest, the best will be for you to hedge your position by taking its, shorting its, not today. Now, I think today it's been too long. You could have shorted it long back. You could have shorted it long back. It's futures. When it started falling down, you could have shorted its futures, right? Otherwise, I feel its a structure is very good. See, this is the structure. It's been just going up beautifully. So it's okay. If it goes down, in few days, it's going to bounce back. If you've bought equity, you don't need to worry. So this is the stock that I've given, Hester BioSciences, right? So what I'm saying, if you want to follow my videos, you have to watch carefully. You have to watch them carefully and then create position. Don't create positions foolishly. Otherwise, no matter whose video you are watching, you will be incurring losses only, right? If it is my setup or someone else's setup, that if you create your positions with, not correct, not by clearly analyzing your stocks, you will always incur losses. Now, somebody has asked me, where should we enter if we need to enter into Nifty based on my analysis of yesterday? I was saying that the moment it crosses, 10 moving average and 50 moving average cross. So wait for both the averages to cross. So see, 10 moving crossed, you don't need to enter here. There could be a possibility it falls. It has fallen, right? By the time it fell, even 50 moving average crossed, 10 moving average sticker support, enter at this point. This point is where you can enter, 10,300, right? And remain entered till what point? Till the 10 moving average and 50 moving average both cross in the downward direction, right? So we entered at what point? We entered at this point, which is 10,000. At this point we entered when both of them have crossed. At this point, right? 10,278. Both of them have crossed, and remain in the long position till this point where the 50 moving average is also crossing, and this day, right? So almost at the same point, you will, This wasn't a very nice up run. So it maybe, you know, had it been me, I would have exited my trade here when it is taking a resistance. When the 10 moving average is taking a resistance to the 50 moving average resistance, I would have exited here and got about 100 points. Okay? So now let me show you once again. Once again, another entry and exit somewhere here. This entry, we'll look into the entry and exit here. 10 moving average has crossed, 50 moving average is where? Let me take a pen. 50 moving average is here, right? At this point. 10 moving average has crossed, 50 moving average is here. Where does 50 moving average cross? At this point, right? So if you want, you can enter at this point, or you can wait for the 10 moving average only to take a support, right? So that this place will be my entry place, right? This is where I would like to enter. This is my entry zone. Okay, let me once again explain you. What I'm saying, that 10 moving average crossed here, fine, but 50 crossed here. This is the price. 10 crossed here, 50 crossed here. I'm not entering any of these places. I would like 10 moving average to take a support, and then I enter at this point. Fine, but that scenario you may not get always and every time. Let me come back to some other place. Here. How do I enter? This was a very nice trade when the 10 moving average was taking a resistance, right? And 50 crossed. Now, let's say where 50 crossed and where 10 crossed. This is where the 50 crossed, right? At this point. And where does the 10 crossed? At this point. You know, because the 10 moving average is taking a resistance, I could have entered here only. I could have entered at this point itself, right? So my entry would have been this point itself. Why? Because the 10 moving average is taking a resistance. This 10 moving average itself is taking a resistance. So this would have been my entry point. And these two averages, the 50 moving average and 10 moving average, are very, very close to each other. So I would have entered here only. All right. So this was the entry price for this one. Now let's say, where do we exit? Where do we exit? This point was 10,112. Where do we exit from this trade? Now, one of the possibility that I would say is here, right at this point, when 10 moving average is crossing in the upward direction. To me, another exit point is when the 10 moving average convincingly crosses 50 moving average. So I could have entered at 9804 also. So where did we enter? 10,112. And where did we bought it back? 9,800. So 300 points is what we get here. All right. 300 points is what we get here. How do I enter now? When the moving averages cross 10 moving average and 50 moving average cross above, then I enter again. At this point, should I enter here? No. I will wait for this support and then I enter into my trade. Fine. So that is how we will be entering into the trade again. Let me take a few more possibilities. Here, let's come back to this point. This. Now 10 moving average crossed, 50 crossed, right? Now where should I enter? Where should I enter into this trade? So this is 50 moving average, right? And this is where the 10 moving average has crossed. But what will I do? I'll wait for 10 moving average to take a support, and that is where I will enter. All right, this is where I will enter into my trade at this point. This is my point of entry, 9630, and let's see till what point will it take me. 9360 is where I'm going to enter and see where will it take me. Till this point, till it crosses in the downward direction. So I entered into 9623 and I will remain in the market till 10,037. So good 400 points. These are 400 points. Exit, when the exit means if you've bought it here, sell it here and see this resistance. See the resistance being taken by the moving average, right? See the resistance being taken by the moving average. This is 200 moving average, this is 50 moving average. Sure short sign. Exit your trade and sell your one lot of Nifty, right? This is how will you enter. And there is nothing about it. Everything is in front of you. All my trades that I give you, all my, uptrends. So everything is out here. Even JVL Agro has recovered, and it just is going to be, since Nifty is down, it's in the downtrend little bit, but we are almost very, very close to the point where I gave it to you. So it's taking a good support. Can you see the support? It's not going below 200 moving average. So it does definitely plan to go up. All right. So I told you about Hester Bio. This is what the run-up it has given. And some of the stocks, even in the falling market, they are doing good, is Videocon Industries. I do have it. It's going every day, upper circuit, upper circuit, upper circuit. There are no sellers, only buyers in this particular stock right now. All right. And another stock which, every day I see and every day it's up is again Ramkey. Ramkey is again up by, okay, it came down. Morning it was up, now it has come down. It went up, this is one day, but it did touch, let me see here. So it went up and now profit booking is coming into it. It touched 271 also. And then the downfall has come today. So anyway, people who have bought it at 99 rupees, they have made good profit. Very, very good profit. All right. So I think one stock that I would like to talk about is Graphite India. Those who want to create position in this, it has really, it has fallen down, took a support and bouncing back, about to go up. It's about to go up, right? So I'm definitely going to create position in it. So if anybody is interested, they can also look into it. But please do your own analysis. Please put your stop losses. Please put your, trades. Please keep locking your profits, right? Like, for example, this is another trade that I have given, high ground. Every day it's going up. Even today it's up, right? So these trades, if you want to identify, please understand how do you filter out such stocks. And now my webinar will begin on 6th of January. Get ready, get ready. I want to see you all there, right? And learn to be in the market in the right direction and get maximum benefit out of it. Keep rotating your, positions so that profits that you get is maximized. All right. So with this, I'm signing off. But we had a huge beginning on Saturday for the new trade, new group, and now I'm waiting for the fresh groups to begin. Fresh groups to begin in January. Look at this Godrej Properties. How beautifully it's going up. See the support that it's taking on 200 DMA, right? Anytime you see support on 200 DMA, it indicates the stock definitely plans to go up. All right. So keep analyzing and please stop taking any tips if you're taking, right? Because your money should be your responsibility. Nobody should take, give you and tell you where to enter, where to exit. You know my basic setup, base it on that. At least stop, incurring losses. Stop incurring losses. Control your money by yourself and trade with your own analysis. That is what I want to tell you. All right. So good day. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. And I want to see you all in my webinar. I want you to be controlling your money yourself. Nobody should give you tip and nobody should tell you where to enter, where to exit. Fine. Good day. Bye-bye. Take care. If you have a technical query, keep writing in my, this platform. I will try to answer. And this, somebody has written one observation. So even today I'm getting 50 MA0N. I'm also getting that. See here, I'm also getting that. Yesterday I was getting something else. Today I'm getting exactly same thing. So I don't know what's the, I don't know. I haven't done the analysis about it. Why it comes, I don't know. Okay. So With this, I'm signing off, but I really want you all to have basic knowledge. At least don't incur losses, don't take any tips, and take care of your money yourself. With this, I'm signing off. And what I'm also saying, if you have, let's say, 50,000 rupees, take trades from my StockPro this platform. Right now, we are not giving any trades. Why? Because the market is going down. See, Hester Bio gave profit of 10% in 3 days. This is what we gave on Rockers, right? And what I'm saying, that you at least take trades from here, StockPro, and lock your profits. Don't wait when Nifty is going down. Don't wait for your stop losses to be hit, right? So earn money from here and then join our program. I'm saying do that. Earn money from here and join our program after that. So you have nothing to lose. Even after that, we are saying we will ensure that you will get your money back. Even VIP clothing is up. We've given this trade also. We've given VIP clothings. That also is doing pretty good today. So that's also up, you know. So what I'm saying, learn these kind of trades, right? With this, I'm signing off, but I'm really expecting to see you all in the January webinar, right? Earn money till then from our trades by analyzing yourself, and I want you all to be master of your trades and master of your money. Bye bye. Good day. See you tomorrow.